class of Call Your Neighbor exercise. Our main beats are bass, 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 tone, tone, tone. Now, let's try it on the drum. 5, 6, 7, 8. Our first beats are bass, tone, tone, bass, slap. Now, let's try it on the drum. 5, 6, 7, 8. Our second beats are bass, tone, bass, bass, tone, tone. Now, let's try it on the drum. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let's play it all together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let's try again. 5, 6, 7, 8.